Example number 1. Oh my goodness, that meeting took forever. It felt like we were just sitting there while the boss went on and on and on. Jeez, come on. And that was reiteration. Example number 2. His signing just blew my mind. I mean, it was so smooth and fast. Oh my goodness. It was incredible. I believe that was faceting. Example number 3. Oh wow, yes, the hotel was so fancy. It was amazing. That one was fascinating. And example number 2 was listing by example and using contrasting. Example number 4. So I have traveled all over the world. I've actually been to the American continent, Africa, South America, and Europe. However, my all-time favorite was definitely Europe. Listing by example is what that was, and I did not compress it very well. Is what that was. Example number 5. My sister just had a baby 2 months ago, but she's been feeling really depressed lately and doesn't want to do anything. She hasn't been able to bond with the baby very well yet, and yeah, they think that she probably has the baby blues, like postpartum depression, because couching/nesting. Example number 6. My son just got a new job, but I heard from word around the street that it's not a good job. It's very dirty business, and it's a very bad job. However, he just went in one ear and out the other. He's still going to work there. I have no idea what that was. Example number 7. Do you mind getting me my book? It's going to be down the hall and to your left. And then it's on the middle shelf of my bookshelf. Easy as pie. You can do that for me, right? That's where my book is. Use of 3D space. Example number 8. My son's bedroom is so dirty. It is so smelly also. He leaves his clothes and shoes, even his food trash. His papers are just everywhere. It's such a pigsty. Ugh. That was listing by example. Example number 9 is wow. Wow, I really, really cherish that teacher. I idolize her so much and really look up to her. She's a good role model. Reiteration. What do you think? Example number 10. Sometimes in school, I do not understand it all. And on the test, I just freeze up. So I decided that I was going to study a whole lot and just know it in my gut. Then I took the test again, and it was easy as pie. I was great at it. Describe them too, I believe. Example number 11. You know, when students will sometimes take advantage of others' work or, copy maybe or find it online and take it and jot it down and say that it's mine, I did this. But it's not real. Oh my goodness, but if you are busted, that is bad news. You will be punished probably. Plagiarism, couching/nesting. Example number 12. 2 weeks ago, my son took the driving test. Like the maneuverability where you have to weave in and out of the cones and you don't want to hit the cones. Well, my son was able to go forwards pretty well, but then boom, boom, hit 2 cones on the way back. So he didn't fail. He barely passed by a hair, but it was pretty bad. Use of 3D space. Example number 13. She had a pretty easy life growing up. And that was contrasting. Example number 14. So I saw the job posting and went and asked the boss, what do I need to do to apply and get the job? And he told me that the ship has sailed and I have missed the boat on that job specifically. Describe then do. Example number 15. So I saw my boss pocket some money one night, but I didn't say anything, of course, because then I would be crazy. I messed that up, but let's see. Describe the new. Okay, last one is example number 16. Oh my gosh, Tom has such a big head. He is so arrogant that I usually just want to stay away from him and ignore him. Fascinating.